Good morning, my students in grade 4. How are you today? Today we will take new lesson. It's chapter 3, lesson 3. Advice of food specialists, page 40. Introduction. Food specialists or dietitians know about the composition of food. يعني اختصاصيي التغذية بيعرفوا الكومبوزيشن مكونات الأكل. They can advise us on a healthy diets. بيقدروا ينصحونا ب healthy diets that provide a balanced quantity of food for growth, food for energy and food for protection. They can advise us about healthy food that provide our body. بيقدروا يعطوا جسمنا balanced quantity كمية متوازنة of food for growth, food for energy and food for protection. The food pyramid. Look at this picture. This is the food pyramid يعني الهرم الغذائي. This food pyramid is made up of a base and an apex. Base القاعدة هي اللي هون، هيدي القاعدة، والأبيكس هي الذروة اللي فوق اللي شايفينها، هيدي القطعة اللي فوق. The base which occupies a wide space in the pyramid marks the food group needed in the highest quantities. البيز هي اللي that occupies a wide space، هي اللي اخذ أكبر مساحة. شوفوا البيز، هيدي أكبر مساحة، هيدي البيز. marks the food group needed in the highest quantity. بتدلنا انه نحن لازم هيدا الاكل اللي موجود بالبيز ناخده بكميات كبيرة. As we go from bottom to top the space decreases. كل ما بنمشي من البوتوم من تحت وطلوع، كل ما نطلع طلوع the base the space decreases، المسافة بتقل. which means that the apex هيدي which occupies a small space in the pyramid marks the food needed in the lowest quantity. هيدي الابيكس بتدلنا انه هيدا الفود لازم ناخده بكميات كتير قليلة. هيدي الجروب هو عبارة عن fats, oils, sweets، يعني الزيوت والحلويات والفاتس. برجع بعيد. As we go from bottom to top the space decreases, which means that the apex هيدي which occupies a small space in the pyramid marks the food needed in the lowest quantities. بتدلنا انه هيدا الاكل اللي احنا لازم ناخده بكميات كتير قليلة. The pyramid includes the following food groups. The pyramids includes the following food groups: food for growth, food for energy, and food for protection. Look at the pyramids. First, let's start with the apex. It's the group of fats and sweets, oils that contain high calories. That is very bad for our body. الأويل الفاتس and sweets contain high calories، يعني سعرات حرارية كتير عالية. that is very bad for our body. يعني إذا بناكل منه نحن بكميات كبيرة بيكون نحن بيكون هالشي كتير مضر لصحتنا. so we should eat little from sweets, fats and oil. Group 2, this is group 2. Milk, yogurt and cheese group. We should take every day from this group. Milk, yogurt and cheese لازم ناكل at least 2 times per day from this group. Third group: meat, fish and eggs. Meat means chicken and beef meat. It contains protein. We should eat protein every single day. Also, every day we should eat protein from the third group. Fourth group, it's vegetables. Also, fifth group, fruits, vegetable and fruits. It fills our body with vitamins and minerals. يعني هي بتعطينا الفيتامينز والمينرالز اللي بيحتاجهم جسمنا. The sixth group, it's the carbohydrates like bread, rice, pasta, potato. Daily we must eat from this group. كل يوم لازم ناكل من هيدا الجروب. So food for growth, it's group 2 and 3 that contain milk, yogurt, cheese, meat, egg, fish, chicken. It's a group of growth. Group of energy, it's fats, oils, and sweets, and this group of carbohydrates. And group of protection, it's vegetables and fruits. Note: food items of food of group 6. This group 6, such as bread, rice, potato, can replace those of group 1. يعني احنا فينا نستبدل الأكل اللي بالجروب 1 يلي هو المضر لصحتنا بالجروب 6, since both group belong to the same type of food, which is group of energy. Both groups 6 and 1 belong to the food of energy, so we can replace the items in group 1 by the items in group 6. So we can deduce that group 1 and 6 food for energy, 1 and 6 group food for energy, group 2 and 3 food for growth, group 4 and 5 food for protection. A balanced food ration يعني حصص غذائية متوازنة. Definition: food ration. A food ration is the sum of food types in a meal. The food ration is the sum مجموع الأنواع الأكل بوجبة وحدة. Balanced food ration يعني وجبة صحية متوازنة. A balanced food ration is a meal which contains at least على الأقل one item of each of the food group shown in the food pyramid. A balanced food ration is a meal هي الوجبة which contains يلي بتتضمن at least one item على الأقل نوع واحد of each of the food group من كل جروب تعول الأكل موجود بالفود pyramid. Observe figure 6. Look at this figure. Is it a balanced food ration? هل هي وجبة غذائية متوازنة؟ Figure 6 shows a balanced food ration. هي بتفرجينا balanced food ration since it contains at least one item of each of the food groups shown in the pyramid. لأنه هي بتتضمن على الأقل نوع واحد من كل جروب الموجود بالفود pyramid. Look, yogurt, vegetables, meat and chicken, bread. It contains at least one item of each of the food groups shown in the pyramid, so it is a balanced food ration. Study plus auto dictation. A balanced food ration is a meal which contains at least one item from each food group shown in the pyramid. A balanced food ration يعني حصة غذائية متوازنة is a meal which contains هي وجبة أكل that contains تتضمن at least one item على الأقل نوع واحد from each food group من كل مجموعة أكل shown in the pyramid شفناها بالهرم الغذائي. برجع بقرأ لكم إياها مرة تانية. A balanced food ration is a meal which contains at least one item from each food group shown in the pyramid. Okay students, please watch this video at least 2 times and I am ready for your questions. Goodbye.